It should come as no surprise to you that image processing is an application of data science that sees a lot around the world. Facial recognition application in social media or even face detection attendance system are some great examples for this. For this, we use Python programming. Python is a programming language that will give all this ability to a device in a simple and powerful manner.
Hi all, it's me Shali from Astabyte. I know you're so excited to know more about it, right? So let's move on. So the human corresponding is mainly have two primary viewpoint that is verbal, that is related to sound, and the second one is non-verbal. One of the best example of non-verbal is the facial expression, which is communicated with the people. So the face from the face we can expose the emotion sooner than the people which visualize or even analyze the feeling, right? So the human emotion. Emotions is mainly realizes between happiness, sadness, surprise, fear, and the disgust. Even the every people can understand the emotion from the face. That is about the human emotion. Face expression may contain a face detection is there and face recognition is there. So you may think that is it both are same? Actually, it's not the same. It's quite different. It so face detection means when we are giving an input as an image or a video, first of all, it will detect the images from it, that is faces from it, and it bounded a rectangular box that is have shown here. Actually, the for detecting faces, there are many techniques are there based on the template based appearance based. Appearance based means like a deep neural network SVM like that. Mostly the face detection mostly use OpenCV like libraries, which is very easy and very common for all. OpenCV is mainly used as cascaded hair classifier, which is a build one. Okay. So next about the face recognition. Face recognition means it is one of the most application of OpenCV. Mainly it verify face detection, face analysis, converting the image to data and finding a match. Actually, face recognition is mostly used, for example, for the companies for the face detection only. They can enter the company and also can be leave the company like that. And the another example is our phone. A phone face lock is there, right? That's also an example of a face recognition. So let's look about the face detection method. Actually, there are mainly four types: hard cascade face detector in OpenCV, deep learning based face detector in OpenCV, HOD face detector in Delete, deep learning based face detector in Delete. So these are the four of the face detection method which can be used in here. And the diagram also have shown here how it will be displayed when we are given in this code. So let's move on one by one. Hard cascade face detector in OpenCV means it is a state of art in face detection, and it will load the hard cascade model file and appears as to gray level image. The output is a list containing the detected face. Okay, so the next one is the DNN face detector in OpenCV. Actually, it is based on the single shot multi-box detector and it is used as the ResNet 10 architecture as a backbone. And the model is trained using the images available from the web, but sources not disclosed. The third one is the Hawk face detector in Delhi. It's widely used in face detector models based on Hawk features and SVM. So the models built are actually it is of five filter like look friend, right looking, friend looking but rotated left, and friend looking but rotated right. Okay. So the fourth one is the deep learning based face detector in Delhi. Actually, this method is uses a maximum margin object detector with CNN based features, and the training process of this method is very simple at all. So these are about the four way of using the face detection method here. Emotion detection. From here itself you can understand what will be the emotion, right? That's it. Six different facial emotions are there like neutral, happy, sad, fear, surprise, like that. I have shown here. The process of identifying the human emotion of someone shown a picture of a person asks you to guess what they are feeling. Chance you will have a pretty idea about it. Still, just you think that can computer can do same like it. That is the point. And here there are so many researchers research it and find so many solutions for it to train the machine. So that is the emotion detection from facial expression. So some of the libraries like OpenCV, Delete, DeepFace, OpenFace like that. So many libraries are there for doing it. And the some of the methods like FPR, CNN, DNN like that. Among that, one of the method is FPR that I can discuss with you right now. That is, FER is the face expression recognition, or generally known as face emotion recognizer. What they are giving is when we detect the faces, it will produce a rectangular box and also the emotion, the all emotion with the percentage, and which one is maximum that will be highlighted, which I shown here. And it is a open source Python library build one, so it is already recorded and is mainly used for the sentiment analysis. This is what about FER. So let's start one of the demo of it. So here this is a cute baby, right? So I'm giving is an input of it. It input like, so this is the input I have given for it. So let's see what will be the output. Before that, let's move to the code section. How can we give in FER? So let's start with the code section. So this is a code I have given here. First of all, I have import some of the libraries, that is from video, import video. That means here the video is the FTR build code which I have taken from it. So here I just import it. Then here I import FTR. After that, I have given one location where my video is insert. So location video file is equal to the location which I have given. After that, it is for the face detection case. For the face detection, I have given a face detector which is equal to FPR of MTCNN. It is equal to true. Then after that, I want to give the input, right? So for the input video is equal to input of where the location is there, please insert it. Then finally, I given a pre-processing state, that is pre-processing, that is processing data is equal to input video of analysis of face detector display is equal to false. So what happened is when the here the face detector means the FPR portion will be move on it. That is a build code there, and from that the analyze function want to be taken. So it will move to build code and it will be here analyze section. This is a build code. So each case when the analysis happening, then first of all, what they are doing in the code section is, first of all, they open the input video. That is the code here. First of all, it will open the videos, and from that it will break the images into framers, and from that, that is a crop here happening. From that it will be saving. So it after cropping the portion, it will save the frames. So it is what is happening in here, and it also after the saving the frame, it will save the video. Then we want in that detector, we want to give a bounding box, right? So for the detection box, it have been given for the detection box. Next one is the emotion, right? That means first of all we detect the images, then we give a bounding box. Next step what it is to give a emotion. So for that we get a emotion. For this here the code is happening. Then after that it will be saved, and here the process are coming. Actually I have told you that FER means it will display all the emotion, and which one is highlighting that will be darkened it, right? Here I am doing a project like I am just need a one emotion, which one is having highest, please show it. Like it sometimes if I am smiling, it should be happy only. For that I have rearranged the build code like this. Just a maximum key want to display. So maximum key is equal to maximum of emotion. Key is equal to emotion dot get. Then I have already tell that emotion score is equal to, just to give me which emotion is there, just to display for it. So this is the word which are given, and this is for the putting the box, and I want to display it. So after the coding session, what I have given is just go to the terminal and just run a code. Then after 4-5 minutes, just for the downloading with emotion. So we will produce a new folder, that is output folder. In that there is one that is for the images and also for the output. So this is the one which I have gained. I will show you what is the output I have get. This is a for the output. There is one that is for the images and for the video. So images mainly is of which is it will divide each frames. That is when we are giving an input, it will break the videos into a frames. So this will be frame. I will show you. like said. That means a video it will convert to images and with a bounded page it will show the emotion. That is what is happening. I will show the video so it will be easy for you. So finally we get the output. So this is what FER is doing. So this is a code when we are doing FER method. Like that we can do CNN, DNN like that. So in further I am doing CNN and DNN also. So stay tuned. See you later. Bye.